In primetime news this evening, tension between Jamaica and USA over refusal to accredit spouse of gay American diplomat. Jobs and earnings drying up in Portland as drought affects water sources. And environmental group dealt blow in legal battle for access to Bob Marley Beach.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Javon Keys is here.
Well, Janella, the Statistical Institute of Jamaica Statin has given the latest inflation data, and guess what? It's just outside of the 4 to 6% target range, so I'll give the details a little later on.
And Jordan Ford is here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Well, fans have not seen Shelley Ann Fraser-Pryce, the decorated multiple-time Olympian and world champion, compete in the 100 meters so far this season. That will change this week. She's set to compete in Switzerland. I'll tell you more in a Primetime Sports Monday.
Yeah, I'm making a note of that. I want to see that. There's also sports commentary and in Prime in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question. But before we get to the feedback question,
yes,
the
Romain is actually here. Yes, Romain. What's coming up in the weather?
Thank you, Janella and Archibald. We have some rain in store for most of the west for tomorrow, but we're expecting drier conditions thereafter. By the middle of this week, the wind should be picking up as well, so we're expecting more sunny days, more warmer temperatures.
Can we tell him to come back when it's going to rain?
You see, might have skipped him after all. Have you noticed any changes in water levels in your rivers, in your community? That is our feedback question this evening, and we're asking you to provide some examples. Again, have you noticed any changes in the water levels in rivers in your community? And please provide some examples.
You can share those comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us, the news in detail after the break.